So what we're going to do today is take apart a privacy fence. Now, these privacy fences are all over the place. They've been up forever. The wood starts, coming loose. They get old. They don't look, nice like residential people, want it to look. So they tear this stuff down. This was a case where a lady had this taken down and then was just looking for somebody to haul it off. So this is free wood, and if you kind of put your shingle out there that you'll take down a privacy fence, you'll probably get all kinds of calls. And this is really good gray wood. Now it's soft wood, so I don't put it where you're going to kick it with your feet or something. Like wainscoting or something like that. I use Barnwood. It's harder. If you put this down where you could kick it with your toe with furniture or wainscoting or something, you can skin this and scuff it. So I don't use it. I only use it in areas where you're not going to be doing something like that. But anyway, it's a beautiful wood. It's free, and it's something you need to think about. If you're going to get into the reclaimed wood furniture building or remodeling. So if you're going to take a fence apart, get you a hammer, get a pry bar, and I have two different bits. This particular fence has two different styles of screw heads in it. The last fence that I took apart was all nails, and that's how you're typically going to find them. This one here has got both. And then the most important thing is this air locker right here. Go order you one of those off of Amazon. $64. Now if you're going to take that fence down, if it's still up, it's going to be a lot easier to take these boards off while it's standing. So do that first and then take the rest of it down. And I just use a Sawzall. I have a Milwaukee reciprocating saw, a couple of them that we take barns down with. They're really tough, really a tough machine. I've used a lot of different Sawzalls. I haven't used DeWalt, but I bet it's a good one. But I know that Milwaukee will last you. Yeah, I mean, you're not going to take buildings down like I am, probably. And I wore one out after many years, and the one I've got now, shoot, I don't know how many barns it's taken down. So good machine. Anyway, so that's the, in a nutshell, what you need to take down these privacy fences. And it's good gray wood, free wood. There's places to use it and there's places not to use it. It'll scuff up easy. Keep that in mind wherever you're going to put it. So I'm thinking I'm going to use it on a accent wall in 2 bedrooms. So anyway, that's it. Go find you a privacy fence. So let's take a closer look at this wood. It's awful bright out here, so it's kind of screws up the color of it. But this is a good gray wood, and there's a lot of wood here off of the fence. So I'll clean it up and use it in areas where I'm not going to be having nobody kick with their foot or something. So over here on this stack, you can see where it's pretty nice wood. It's thin, about 1/2 inch. So there's places to use it and places not to use it, but heck, too good a wood to just throw away for sure. There's a lot of uses for it. So anyway, let's go start taking this apart. So now I'm gonna knock the nails out of all this wood. Very easy. It's with a pneumatic nail remover. This particular one is called Air Locker, and you buy those on Amazon. They're about $64. There are other brands. I can't speak for those. I've never tried them, but I know this. I've got 2 of these, and they have been through a lot of barns, and they are a time saver, labor saver, everything saver. And so the nail just slips into that hole there, and then there's a plunger in there that shoots them out. So the only thing is you want something to shoot them into, something soft. If I just shot them out on this concrete, they're coming out so fast, they're just gonna go all over the place, you know. So I shoot them into a container, and sometimes, in fact, I'm going to put an old towel in the bottom of that so it's really soft, because I don't want these nails hitting that and bouncing out. So I'm going to do that first. See, even if the nail is bent over, you can slip that over the end and straighten that nail up. See? Gone. Let me tell you, that will save immensely. Let me tell you, you know, I've had shoulder problems, elbow problems, and that's from nailing a hammer into those nails and then pulling, prying. Get you an air locker if you're going to be taking nails out. Just as easy as that. So here's the last thing you do. When you get done, just go around the yard with this magnet. They're cheap. I think I bought this one at Harbor Freight, but you can buy them anywhere. And just run around all your property and pick up the nails. Beats the heck out of getting one in your tire. So that's the last thing I do. Just run up and down, grab the nails, and then that's it. So that's what I would have got in a tire. So get you one of these magnets. They don't cost much, and just have it on hand.